Hi guys, this is the Advanced MCT Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a registration form using HTML and CSS. So this is the file that we just created for HTML, and then this is the another code for CSS, and the CSS had to be linked to the HTML code. So I'm going to show you guys how to do everything. So the code is too much, so that's why I type it before I can present to you guys. Because if I say I'm typing it while explaining it, then we're gonna make something like 2 hours here. So this is the reason I type the code first. And this is the code. Yeah, that's it. The next. Okay. And now this is the CSS code. I will type it because of the time. I don't want to spend much time on this. The code is very large, right? As you can see here, right? Okay, this is cool. Yeah, this is the background color, and this is another background color here. I have so many color here, so I'll explain to you guys how I managed to get this and what is the function. Okay, here is the place I'm going to link this file, the CSS file. So it's form.css. CSS. Okay, this is it, and then it's already linked to this file. Okay, as you guys see, okay, it's already linked to the file. And then I'm going to do this to give the title of the form that I'm creating. So let me just put Advanced MGD Tech. Okay, and then I'm going to also put the title of this here for it to appear under the logo, right? Okay, Advanced MGD Tech. Yeah, just the option that you're going to choose, whether you're a student, intern student, professional, or others. So these are it. And then I'm going to show you guys this stuff, the class form. Will you invite your friends to please join us? Good. This is the class input, and then here it is the option yes, no, and maybe. Okay. Okay, let's go down. This is the span of it. Okay, now I'm going to put male here. This is what can ask you to select whether you're male or female. Okay, female, sorry, female, and others. This is where you can import your countries. You can import those countries here in the following section. So you see Rwanda, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to just copy and paste here, and then remove the South Sudan. Okay, I'm going to add Canada. Another one. So it just left with you. So you can add more countries as you want, but here I'm just teaching you guys how to just get the format. So I'm not going to go too far. Let me just put your channel, okay? And I'm going to go here and put something like paste. Let me paste. Okay, there I'm going to put something like, let me see, I don't know, Togo, right? Okay, yeah, Togo. This is the place where you can put your phone number, the comment section, and the submit button. Okay, this is the closing part of the code. All right. So anybody who is trying to, okay, now I'm going to the CSS code. All right, here is the CSS code, and this is the background of the work that I have right now. So, and this is the, let me show you. And this is the color of the submit button. So let me see what I do here. This is another color. We have so many colors here. So I'm going to run this code and see how it's going to work before proceeding to another step. So let me run this code. Let me try to run this code. It's already linked to the CSS file. So let me try to run this code. Yeah, debug anyway. All right. And then you wait to see the result of it. Something's happening. Okay, yeah, okay. So, okay. This is how the code is. As you can see right now, Advanced MGJ Tech. And here's the title of the logo. So, okay, here's please put a name, your email, select your identity. Okay, here is where you select whatsoever you are. And, okay, here is where you can select the languages that you already understand as well. And here you put your password, you confirm your password, you select your general, your countries that I will put in today. Here's Canada, China, and Togo that I just entered before you guys. And this is the place where you put. Okay, now okay, let me do this and see something. Let me do this. Let me try and go add a logo. So let me go add the logo. So you go back to your code. Okay, here's where you can add a logo. So let me show you guys which logo I'm going to use. I'm going to use my YouTube logo. So this is my YouTube logo. It's a.jpg. So okay, I'm going to that. Okay, I'm going to put that a.jpg. Okay, good. We have it. So let me try to save it and go and refresh. Let me see. Good. We have the logo, right? It just appear. Yeah, we have the logo now. So but I don't really love this background, so I don't like this. I don't love this background color. So let me go and change that to like say okay, yeah, green. Green is not bad. Yeah, green. Okay, save it and go and check it out. Good, it's working, right? Everything's working perfect. Yeah, everything's working perfect. So here you're gonna put your name like this. My name is Matthias Commando, and my email account is Commando Matthias 9 gmail.com. And then my the which best describe I'm a student right now. I'm not here working. And which okay, I would like to invite. And then this is the language that I understand: Java and Phantom, JavaScript, right? That's all. And then this is my password. You're not going to see that because it's always hiding. So you're going to confirm your password. Next. And then go to the gender. If you're male, female, yes, select. And then the country you're from, right? I'm from Liberia. So, okay, this. and then you go enter your number. So I'm going to put my number plus 231 86 930747. Okay, this is my number, and then this is the comment section. So you can say anything about our platform. So I love this platform. Oh, sorry, it jumps together. Okay, and then you're going here and click on the agreement. Submit. Fine, it's fine. So that's all. So this is how you can create a simple registration form. Yeah. So you can do this, and my next video I'm going to show. I will show you guys how to connect this to your database.